Deepen Singh Hooda said that unemployment rate has gone above the danger mark in Haryana. Both recruitment and factories are closed in Haryana. Unemployment is taking a terrible form. The confused coalition government is taking the state towards the abyss. Hooda said that youth is stressed and their parents helpless due to the government inaction. Unemployment is the biggest case of rising crime in NCR. Inaction of the government is a cause for concern. The situation may be explosive. India has expressed hope that China will cooperate to complete the military disengagement process at remaining areas of Ladakh. Faridabad administration is also discriminating in breaking illegal construction. The slum of the people living here from UP Bihar are constantly being followed by the yellow claw of Haryana Urban Development Authority and Municipal Corporation, while the district to break 143 illegal construction built on the bypass. The administration does not take any action. This is to say that Neeraj Sharma, MLA from NIT Assembly constituency. With the construction of 2.5 km 4-lane concrete road and a 1-lane 25 km bitumen Solapur-Bijapur road within 24 hours, India has made 3 world records, said Union Minister for Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari on Friday. As Myanmar's military continued crackdown on civilians protesting against the February 1 coup, India on Friday condemned any use of violence and said it stood for the restoration of democracy in the country. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Friday claimed that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has clearly lost the poll battle in the state and said the Citizenship Amendment Act will be taken up in the first meeting of the new BJP government, which will come to power in the state. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba on Friday chaired a high-level review meeting with Chief Secretary, DG Police and Health Secretary of all state UTs with focus on 11 state UTs that have been reporting high rise in daily COVID cases. Due to the ongoing situation and rising numbers of COVID-19 cases, on Friday, the Federation of Western Indian Cine Employees wrote a 2-page long letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, requesting him not to impose another lockdown. Rahul Gandhi on Friday slammed the Election Commission hours after the poll body ordered repolling in Assam's Ratnabari after reports of EVMs in a BJP candidate's car. The candidate Krishnendu Paul, the sitting MLA from Patharkandi.